Guys, welcome back again. This is pretty much the AI application here called ImageArt, and you can see here a lot of filters or templates which you can use on this AI application. As you can see, a lot of them. You have banana, and some other templates which you can use. Most of these templates you will need a pro subscription, so do keep that in mind. So as you can see here, you have the image editing section. You have a lot of them which you can use, and if you do want to see more of these templates or filters which you can use, you can tap on the see all, and as you can see here for this section, these are all the ones that are available. And for other sections like the trending section here, you can tap on the see all option and also see what's trending. So these are just AI, and all you have to do is just upload a clear image of yourself or you and your couple, and you pretty much get these results. Very simple. So most of these, as I said before, you're gonna need a subscription, but the ones that are free or the options that are free, you can use the banana. As you can see here, these are the AI generator tools which you can use at the top here. As you can see, there are very few, only 4 of these. You have the Clean 2.5 option which you can use as well. You have the image app here as well which you can use, and you have the SAR 2. So if I do tap on the SAR 2 option here, as you can see how much credits I need to generate a video or how much credits I need to generate that image. And down here, just enter your prompt and you're pretty much good to go. So down here as well, you can tap on the plus icon here to upload your file, your image, and as well you can tap on the settings icon there. Let me just fix this off here. So the settings option here, and also select the model that you want to use. Currently it's on banana, and select the option and select various different types of image generation features or models which you can use. As you can see, you can scroll and look for what you want. And as well, you can use the application version. So the application is ImageArt. So I'm going to use the light version for this one here. Also, you can go ahead and select the aspect ratio as it relates to this. And as well, you can see how much image you want. As you can see, 1, 2, or 4 images. So do keep in mind, the lower the credits, these are pretty much stars. I would call them credits. But based on the model that you select, it will tell you how much credits you're going to use. So this is the expensive model, which is pretty much cost 80 credits. So as you can see, it will tell you how much credits you're going to use for each. Now, the video section is very different as well. You can tap on the option over here, and you pretty much tap on the model you want to use, and it will tell you how much credit you're going to use for each of these. And as you can see here, the credits are pretty much high. You have the Google VO2, which is pretty much 1,500 credits or stars, as you can see there. And for this year, you pretty much upload an image of what you want to generate, text to video. So do keep that in mind as well. So that's really pretty much it for the editing feature of this application here. So you just tap on the create option, and either you want to create an image or a video, or you want to edit the image. But if you do use this feature here, it will just uploading the image and pretty much letting the AI edit it for you. Let's say you want to change. Let's say I want to change the Pro at the end to VPN. I can do that by just entering it here, and that's really pretty much it. So that's really pretty much it for this feature here. And in the Pro option at the top here, if I do tap on the Pro option, as you can see here, there's subscription. You have half a year subscription here. As you can see, you have the basic plan. As you can see here, the monthly subscription. And this is pretty much where you go to get your subscription. So as it relates to the settings section here, this is pretty much where you go to log in and as well see how much credit you have. I'm currently on a free plan, so that's pretty much it. So as you can see here, I only have 100 credits to be able to use. So do keep that. Keep in mind how much credit you have to be able to generate images and videos. So if I'm going to use these, I'm going to need a subscription. So that's pretty much different from credits. Well, anyways, that's really pretty much it for this video. And if I've missed anything at all, let me know in the comment section and see if we can help you. See you in the next one.